how you can buy tickets on Ticketmaster UK. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to buy tickets on Ticketmaster. So in order to buy tickets on Ticketmaster UK, you'll have to follow the steps. So for that case, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your browser. And when you open up a browser, on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in ticketmaster.co.uk, and when you type in the following link, it's going to take you to the official web page. So here you can go ahead and find the tickets that's available by tapping on find tickets button, and then accordingly you can follow the prompt and you can go ahead and buy tickets on Ticketmaster. And here you could go ahead and look for the location for which you actually wish to buy the tickets. So press on it, and when you do that, you can just go ahead and select the region or the country, and then you could go ahead and search the artist, event, or any of the venue or whatsoever, and then you could find a ticket, and likewise you could go ahead and buy the tickets on Ticketmaster UK. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.